what we'll be using today are these gorgeous, gorgeous snowflakes. Today, we're gonna do a bottle. We're gonna do, we're just going all out with snowflakes. So I cast some Formflex snowflakes last night with the IOD snowflake mold, which you can get from vintageretailtherapy.com. But here's some of the snowflakes. You even have this, this is one of my favorites. These have only been on the refrigerator since like 8 o'clock this morning, so they're still a little damp, but I did the whole thing. So there's all of them. So I went ahead and just stippled some white paint on our bottle. And I think we're going to be adding the snowflakes. I'm going to combine some of our new appliques with it as well. I need to kind of come in here a little bit better on the sides. It's not, maybe a little bit, just a little bit. I was thinking, since we have the silver appliques, I was thinking about doing our snowflakes. You know what? I have to find my silver rub and buff. I was thinking about doing our Formflex snowflakes in this gorgeous color. This is Pintart. I think it's green patina, or patina green. I use the Type Bond Quick and Thick. So I'm just gonna use the brush so I can ensure that it's all the way out to those edges. We're gonna make it wrap, so I'm going to just lay that down like so. Seriously, like, is that not so pretty? I love it. Okay, love that. And then I want to do, for Totally Dazzled, I kind of want to do the same thing, and then we'll fill in with some of the smaller, oh my gosh. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to use our Type Bond Quick and Thick. That is just too sweet. I love that. And then we're going to come in. I'm loving this, ladies. Okay. So now you can see where we just dry brushed that one, which we'll go back in with some wax over this. And now let's see if we can I think we can. These are the Pintart Metallic Wax Paste. This one is in silver, of course, and this one is rose gold, but it's beautiful. It gives such a pretty shimmer. Just lightly, oh, I like that against that. It's beautiful. Look at how gorgeous. See how it just brings out all those details? See, it's hard for y'all to see how pretty it is on there. And I kind of like the idea of overlapping them a little bit. That's pretty. Okay, do I have more? We're playing with it for just a second. Isn't that sweet? Do we need one right here? I kind of think we do. Okay, can y'all see that? Ooh, I love it. I love those snowflakes. And again, I will do snowflakes on the back side as well, but I just think that's so sweet. We're gonna be diamond dusting all in between and probably lightly over some of these, but mainly just the bottle. And then I grabbed just this little, I got these, like a pack of like 10 or 12 of these. You know, if you just want to just button up the top, let's do that. So let me see if 3 rows, it will. Yeah, I like that. Let's do this part, the very tippy top. Should have done this before I added the pearls, but I'm gonna do just this portion with a different brush. This blue. We're gonna start diamond dust in this. Working on one side. So see, I just added it in between all of those little openings, and we will do it all the way around, but I love the snowflakes coming around to the sides like that. Gorgeous. Again, you could add a big topper if you wanted to. I kind of like, because it's such a tall bottle, I do kind of like just that little cap on it. Or you could put some winter, you know, floral picks and stuff coming up out of it.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.